Stand by.
Welcome back to Afternoon Live. He's our globe-trotting chef, but now he's back to show us another one of his exotic dishes, here to show us how to make deconstructed Mexican street corn. I got that right? So far, so good. Okay, we welcome back the author of Trading Dishes, Chef Stephen Ferneding is back. Stephen, it's been too long.
How are you doing?
Oh my goodness, I'm doing well, but what did I get wrong? It's not deconstructed
No,
corn
right.
on the cob and lots of colorful spices.
It's a mouthful.
It's a lot.
It's
It's
a
a
lot. There's
lot.
something else in there, but no, that's it.
Oh my gosh. Well, I don't even know what deconstructed corn is, so I'm already like,
Fantastic.
tell. All right, so what's happening here?
Okay, so this is a dish that I learned when I was living down in Mexico. In Puerto Vallarta.
Of course.
Yeah.
Always all over the world.
I know. So I kind of made my own twist on it. So
Okay.
in the streets, you can eat this corn at the street vendors.
Right.
And I was like, okay, I'm going to take it all apart and then put it back together in a different way.
Is that the
that's the
deconstructed
deconstructed
part?
part.
Ah, I got it now. Okay.
So what you want to do is you want to start with a tortilla, and you want to fry these up.
What kind of tortilla is this? Is a baby tortilla.
I know.
This is like, where'd you find this little bitty thing?
Any grocery store.
This is not the regular size that it
Yeah.
fried down to this small.
No.
Oh, I was gonna say.
These are the street tacos that they sell. So
Oh,
like the
yes.
taco size.
Okay. So you have to get this particular size.
Right.
All right. I was gonna say, what kind of oil is that? Okay, gotcha. So we get this one.
So yeah, so we I cooked it a little bit already,
Uh-huh.
and so then I like to throw it in again, and you want it to the temperature to be at 350 degrees, and that will make it bubble right away.
Oh,
And a great
okay.
thing to do is to have a oil thermometer on hand.
Yeah, because otherwise, how do you know it's 350
well,
degrees?
there is a trick.
Yes. What? How?
Yeah, you could take a piece of the dry tortilla and toss it in, and if it starts bubbling right away, it's ready.
Then you're good.
You're good.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so while that's finishing up, you can just kind of give it a quick little flip here. Okay, so yeah.
So it's
you
double
want-
fried.
Yeah, double fried. And then that
Nice.
makes it extra crispy.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I'm with that program.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the corn and we're going to start cooking.
Oh. Okay. So
So,
the pot's already hot.
The pot's hot already. Well, I added some butter in it already.
Oh, yes.
And
Okay.
I use vegan butter for this dish
Why?
because I've been making this for a lot of my guests down in Arizona, and a lot of people, there's vegetarians and vegans, and so I was like, hey, this is a perfect dish that I could do, and I just changed the last ingredient. I just don't add the cheese on the end if they want it completely vegan.
Right.
So, but I
Oh,
use
so
vegan
this is
mayonnaise as
vegan
well.
friendly.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vegan butter, vegan mayonnaise. I mean, man, everything's going vegan.
So yeah, so you just want to cook that, and you want to have it on like a medium-high heat.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add in some onions. These are
Okay.
red onions.
Would you
Go.
like for me
Please,
to
yes,
these
please.
doggone
Please.
sleeves? Okay. So all of this
So,
or just some?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Is that good?
A little more. A little more. Okay.
I have to make sure you know I'm heavy-handed when it comes to these things. Okay, what's
so
next?
next is the jalapenos.
Ooh,
So
how
now
much
this
of that
is
do we
how
want?
much heat you want to add into the dish. I like to do about a teaspoon. Just for my guests, it's
Okay.
mild.
A heaping or how's that?
Well, that'll work.
Okay, now I don't see any seeds in here.
No, I took all the seeds out
Well,
already.
thank good. Well, if that's the case, we can do a little more. It's the
Yeah.
seeds that give me the blues.
That's right.
All right.
So, as this starts cooking, we can just add in the red bell peppers.
Okay, all of this or just?
Yeah, you can do all of it.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Did you get this from Mexico, or were you out in Arizona shopping and you got a little?
Yeah, this is from Mexico.
Nice. You always bring back something super authentic. Okay.
Okay, and then, so you just want it to get a nice little golden color.
Okay.
It takes about 2-3 minutes to really finish it up.
Sure.
So we'll take our tortilla.
Our double fried
Double fried
tortilla.
But
This
once
is a cute little baby. It's just a baby. Something about it is giving me the feels. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the vegan mayonnaise.
All of this or
Yeah,
just?
you can do all of it.
Okay.
So this is gonna bind it all together.
Ah. Okay. Put all that in there, man.
I'm gonna stir it up.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, sorry. Did you have
Now you're good.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
But I just had to get all the bits in there. Okay. Oh,
That's
so
right.
that's how it gets to
Yeah.
look like that creamy.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I just got back from Cabo not too long ago, Los Cabos,
Nice.
and I think I had something similar to what I'm seeing developing here.
fantastic.
Okay, yeah, it
Find
was
out.
super yummy.
Okay, so I just added a little lime juice too.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna take that off the heat.
Mhm.
And then I'm gonna take the spoon here.
Oh, so you just kind of
And yeah, just pop it right on.
pile it on here. Now,
Easy.
this doesn't take long at all.
No.
Except, now, what's the longest part? Getting the corn.
Probably the tortillas, like really getting the tortillas cooked, and then I mean it's really fast. And so I mean, you know, it's a great dish if you're in a pinch.
Just want to. Oh, look, oh, I like that technique. I haven't seen that.
Then
Okay.
if you wanna top
Yeah,
this
I'm
with
not
cheese.
vegan. So let me get some of this on top of here. And this completes the dish?
Yeah, it's gonna be a little warm.
Yeah.
And
I
you
don't
can-
want to put it in my mouth and have it all fall out right now.
Yeah, so you can always add a little bit more lime juice on top just to top it, and then I always add a little bit of salt.
Oh, there we go. There's the seasoning I was looking for.
And there you go.
Easy breezy,
Yeah.
perfect to have. Is it too hot for me to try and
No,
taste
you
the
can
little corner?
Probably try
Okay, here we go. Eh. So now,
it. There you go. And what's
Tell me.
great too is when you have extras, you can use this and just put it in a bowl, and then put extra tortillas out, and then people can eat it as well.
what did you say?
Okay. Perfect.
I'm sorry. I was in like a
That's all
food
good.
haste. This is so good. But I heard you though. You can use the
Okay.
leftovers.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
so this is a perfect dish for even more.
Absolutely.
Right on, Stephen. I'm so glad you're back.
Thank you for
Thank you
having
so much. Okay, we're gonna have Chef Stephen's recipe and more information about him and his book for you on our website at KATU.com. This is so good. Okay, coming up next, we've got ways to stay fit when you hit the road for vacation.